Hello and welcome to 3dparadise.com. In this tutorial I'll show you how to use XForm, which is very needed on mechanical creations and modeling and animations. I'll show you an example of what we can use it for. Make a teapot here, and I will try to select its pivot point to start with. And you see, when I rotate this in here, nothing happens with the teapot. But if I now had this scaled like this, and then went into the pivot point again, just like rotate and rotate it, you can see that it's scaling in a lot of weird ways. That's because 3ds Max is scaling a percentage of the model, and it's not actually scaling the mesh of this model. So when I turn this, it's scaling in other directions, thus giving us weird looking model. There's an easy way to prevent this, and it's a must for all mechanical models, and that is the use of XForm. So you select the object you want to apply this XForm object to, and then you click on link selection, and I just do that to remember that I haven't linked anything, because you can't do this if other objects are linked to this one. So you'll have to unlink. It's a good reminder, it doesn't hurt. So, and then you go into the utilities up here, click on the reset XForm and reset selection, then right click on the object again, convert to editable poly, and now when I check on the pivot point, try rotate, it works as it should. One way to prevent this, so we don't have to use the XForm, to select the mesh and then scale this. So we'll do that by selecting polygons, for instance, and then we select all of them and scale. See, this is not working because we have to change this one up here to this one, and then we scale it, and this will prevent the object from getting deformed when you're rotating it or moving it. You can see here that if I select the pivot point again, choose rotate, it's still working as it should. And this is the basics of the XForm, and I can just give you a quick example on where it could happen. I'll create a simple leg. So go to the create button, create a box right here, like that. Then we'll make a cylinder like that, make another cylinder like that, and another box like that. Just make these, sorry, another one, this one 90 degrees. Then I'm gonna align it to this one, and first I'm gonna make these center, and then up here. Then I'm gonna take this one, align that one to this one, all positions, center to center. Let's see if we can get the right angle, that'll be fine. And this one to the box here. First to the center, apply, Y, maximum, apply. Right. Now I'll see if I can create this function here. I scale this one, move it a little, and then try to link these. So I'll just place the pivot points first. Center this, and that should do it. And then I'm gonna link this one to that one, and that. Then when I rotate this, see the whole object moves. Here it moves as it should. I'm just gonna lock this because I don't want it to rotate the wrong way. See if we can find that what's right. So if I now rotate this, then and that one, you can see it's not rotating as it should. It's hovering or wiggling. That can be prevented by the XForm, and I'll show you again. Select everything, unlink, utilities, XForm, reset. Right click here and convert to editable poly. Get this to click there. Now we link this again to this, to this, and to this. And when we try and move this again, you can see that it will work. If it's rotating on the right axis, like that. Now there's no wiggling and it's rotating as it should. So, thank you for watching at 3dparadise.com.